welcome all. Today I am going to explain exercise 1.1 of chapter 1 sets. So let's start it from the question 1. Question 1 is which of the following are sets? Justify your answers. In this question, firstly we will read the following statements and tell that whether they are forming a set or not. First is the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. Yes, this is a set because we can easily write the months whose name started from the J. Suppose set A, the months which are beginning from the letter J, they are January, June, July. So we can make a set by using this statement. The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter Z. Yes, this is a set. We can form a set here. Second statement is collection of 10 most talented writers in India. Collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Yes, this is not a set because this statement is not an accurate statement. Suppose for me, these are the talented writers, or for other one he or she might not be talented. So this is a controversial statement. We can't frame a set here. So this is not a set. Third one is a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. This is also not a set. Same, this is a contradictory statement because for me, suppose one or two or these or that they are the best cricketer batsman, and for other one he might not be the best. So this is not a set. Fourth one is collection of all boys in your school. Yes, this is a set. We can easily count the number of boys in our school and make a set. So this is a set. Fifth one is collection of all natural number less than 10. Collection of all natural number less than 100. Easily we can frame a set. We can simply write, let the set be, suppose this is the set B, 1, 2, 3 up to 100. We can easily frame a set for it. So yes, we can frame the set for this statement. Question number 6. The collection of novels written by Munshi Premchand. Yes, this is also a set. We can easily write the collections of novels written by the Munshi Premchand. Sixth one is 7th statement. The collection of all even integers. Yes, we can write the collection of all even integers. Suppose this is the set A, 2, 4, 6 up to so on. This is the collection of even integers. We can write them. Statement 8. The collection of questions in this chapter. Yes, we can also frame the set for this statement. We can easily write the number of questions, the collection of questions from this chapter. So this is a set. Question 9 is, 9th part is the collection of most dangerous animals of the world. We can't frame a set for this statement, not a set. Again, this is a contradictory statement because for me, suppose dangerous animal, we can't say this or this, that is, there is no criteria for the dangerous category. So this is not a set. Now question 2 of exercise 1.1. Let A equal to, A is a set given here. Elements of set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or not belongs to in the spaces. We have to tell that whether these elements are belongs to the set A or not. Easily we can check it. 5 in first part you can say 5. Check it in the set A whether 5 is the element of set A or not. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 5 belongs to A. Now second part, whether A belongs to set A or not. 8 belongs to set A or not. Now in set A we have only up to 1 to 6 elements. 8 not belongs to set A. So 8 not belongs to set A. 0, again 0 is not belongs to set A. So here not belongs to set A. Now in fourth part, check the element 4. Whether check the element 4 belongs to set A. Yes, element 4 belongs to set A. Now in fifth part, check it whether the element 2 belongs to set A. Yes, element 2 belongs to set A. Now, whether the 10 belongs to set A, no, 10 is not in the set A. There is no element in set A, that is 10. So, it is not belongs to A. Hope so this question is clear to you. This was the question second. Now, I am going to explain question 3. Write the following sets in the roster form. Question third is here. Write the following sets in the roster form. Statement 1 is A. X such that X is an integer and X is lie between greater than -3 and less than 7. Here we have to write a set A in which value of X is lie between -3 to 7 and that should be greater than -3 and less than 7. So these values are greater than -3, starting from here -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to write the value less than 7. So this is the set for the first statement. This is in the roster form. Now again I am repeating. Question is X is an integer that's lie between -3 to 7. It should be greater than -3 and less than 7. So here is the set 1A in the roster form. Second is set B. We have to write a set B in which X such that X is a natural number less than 6. We have to write a set B in which elements are natural number and they are less than 6. So write it. Set B natural number are starting from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to write the element less than 6. So stop it at 5. So set B is a natural number, set of natural number less than 6. This is the set B. Now question third is X such that X is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8. Here we have to write the 2-digit natural number whose sum is 8. So let's start it. The set C. We have to write a set in which sum of its digits is 8. So first is 17. That is a natural number and we will add both the digits. Sum is 8. Second is 26. That is also a natural number. When we will add these two digits number, 8 is the result. Third is 35, 44 and we can write next is 50, 3, 62, 71 and 80. So this is the set for the natural number, 2-digit natural number whose sum is 8. Again you can see it 17. If we will add both the digits, result is 8. Similarly for the 26, when we will add 2 and 6, result is 8. You have to remember the conditions. A number should be natural number and sum of its digit be 8 sorry. Now next is 35. 3 plus 5 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. You can see another examples also. So this is the set of natural number, 2-digit natural number whose sum is 8. Now next is fourth part D. We have to write a set of prime number. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 6. Now divisor of 6 are, you can see, we can divide 6 by a factor of 6 are 2, 3, 5, 10, 12, 20, 15, so on. But we have to write only the prime number. So we have no need to go above. X is a prime number which is divisible of 60. So prime number divisible of 60 are 2, 3 and 5. These are the 3 prime numbers which are divisible of 60. They can divide the number 60 and these are the prime number. Hope so clear. Now question 5. E, we have to make a set A. Set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Here we have to write all the letters of the word trigonometry. Simply you can frame it. You can easily write. You have to simply write the alphabets, but you have to remember one thing. Alphabet should not be repeated. We have to write it only one time. T, R, I, G, N, O, M, E. T is already written. R is already written. Y. So this is the set for the letter trigonometry. You have to remember one thing only, digit should not, alphabet should not be repeated. Now question 6 is set of all letters in the word better. Now similarly in the same way we will write the alphabets of the word better. B, E, T, R. Now this is the set for the letter in the word better. We have to write the alphabets only one time. This was the question 3. Now I am going to explain question 4. Write the following sets in the set builder form. Now in this question we have to write the sets in the set builder form. So let's start it. Question 1, we have to write 3. Set is 3, 6, 9, 12. We have to write it into the set builder form. Students, you can see it here. These 4 elements are the multiple of 3. You can see it here. 3. 3 ones are 3. 6 is 3. 2s are 6. 9 is 3. 3s are 9. 12. 3 4s are 12. So we can write it as 3 into n. Now it is in the roster form. This is, we can write, in set builder, roster to set builder, we have to write this into the roster to set builder. So set A is such that x equal to 3n, x equal to 3n, multiple of 3n. What is n here? N is a natural number. N belongs to capital N denoted to the natural number, and this is a finite set. So n is lie between 1 to 4, that is n is greater than or equal to 1 and less than equal to 4, because we have to write the set in this form. You can see it 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is the multiple of 4 natural numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the form in which we will write the set builder. We will write our set in set builder form. Again I am repeating, x such that x equal to 3n. X is the multiple of 3n. What is n here? N is a natural number, and that natural number is lie between 1 to 4. It should be greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 4. Now next part is second. Set is 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 32. Now you can see here 2, 4. 4 is the 2 into 2, and 8, 2 raised to power 3, and 16 is 2 power 4, 32 is 2 power 5. So we can write it as 2 power n. N is a natural number, that is up to 1 to 5. Again you can see here 2 power 1, 4 is the 2 power 2, 6 2 4, not 6 here, 2 4 8. Correct the statement. 2 4 8. 6 is not here because it can't frame the digit. 2 4 6, 2 4 8, 16, 32. These are the powers of 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. So we can write it as x such that x equal to 2 power n, where n is a natural number and that n is lie between 1 to 5. It should be greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 5. You can see it here how 2 power n, natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will solve it. We will come back to the question. So this is the way in which we can write the set into the set builder form. You have to identify the element, how you can arrange them. Now third is 5. Set is 5, 25, 125, 625. Hope so you can clearly identify how we can write these elements. Look at the statement carefully. statement is 5, 25, 125, 625. This is same as the question number side. 5 we can write it as 5 power 1, 25, 5 power 2, 125, 5 power 123, 125 and 4 is 625. This is the same as the question number second. Here natural number we can write it as 5 power n and n is lie between 1 to 4. So similarly in the same way we can write x equal to 5 power n where n is natural number and that is lie between 1 to 4. N is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 4. This is the question 3. Now part 4 is part 4. This is 2, 4, 6 so on. Here the statement is 2, 4, 6 so on. So we can write it as this is the, you can say here these are the even natural numbers. They are the natural number but they are in the form of even number. So simply we can write x such that x is an even natural number. This is an infinite set. So simply we will write it like this. These are the even natural numbers. Question number 5 is 1, 4, 9 up to so on. 1, 2, 5 up to so on. 1, 4, 9. This is the 2 power 2. This is the 3 power 2 and 4 power 2, 5 power 10. 100 is 10 power 2. So we can write it as n square. X equal to n square where n is a natural number up to 1 to 10. X equal to n square. These all are the whole squares. You can see these are the perfect square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square up to so on up to 10. So we can write it like this. X such that x equal to n square where n is a natural number and this is lie between up to 1 to 10. Now question number 5. List all the elements of the following set. Here sets are given that are in the set builder form and we have to write them into the tabular form. First question is x is an odd natural number. Question number 1. X such that x is an odd natural number. So simply we can write the elements of odd natural number. These are 1, 3, 5, 7 up to infinity because there is no limitation is given to us. So odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 up to infinity so on. Question second part is x is an integer. We have to write the integer between -1/2 and 9/2. You can see here x is lie between -1/2 and 9/2. Students, -1/2 we can write it as -0.5 and x is less than 4.5. We have to write the integers between 0.5 to 4.5. So integers greater than -0.5 to these are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the set for the second question where x is lie between -1/2 and 9/2. We have to write the integers. So these are the integers which lie between -1/2 and 9/2. Now third is question number 3. X is an integer x square less than equal to 4. X is an integer and x square less than equal to 4. X square less than equal to 4, it means x square less than equal to plus minus under root 4, that is plus minus under root 2. It means we have to write the values between plus minus 2. So these are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So integers between x square less than equal to 4 are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. These are the integers which are less than x square less than 4. Now Fourth is X is a letter in the word loyal. We have to write all the alphabets of the word loyal. These are simply we have to write the alphabets. These are L, O, Y, A. L is repeated here. We have to write it only one time only here. So this is the set for the word loyal. Next is question 5. E. We have to write the set E where X is a month of years not having 31 days. Here we have to write the months which are not having 31 days. So we have 4 months which are having not 31 days, which are having 30 days. These are February, April, September and November. These 4 months are having 30 days. These are February, June is left here. June. These are 5 which are having 30 days. Now next is 6th part. We have to write the set F in which X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. It means we have to write all the alphabets of the consonants precedes K. It means before K, the number precedes, the alphabet precedes, we have to write it. These are, before K we have the following alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Now we have to write the alphabets before K because K is which precedes the K. It means we have to write the alphabets. Yes. Now question is, X is a consonant in the English alphabet. Here I am writing the alphabets before K, which are proceedings before K. Now we have to write the consonants only, not vowels. So cross the vowels. This. Now our set is B, C, D, F, G, H, J. These are the consonants which precedes the K. Now this is the question 5. Now let's start the question 6. Now question 6 of exercise 1.1. Match each of the following set on the right in the roster form with the same set on the left described in the set builder form. In this question we have to match these two set builder form to the roster form. First question is, X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. We have to match it. Firstly we can write it into the set builder form. Question is, X is a prime number and in a divisor of 6. X is a prime number and divisor of 6. So these are 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the elements which are prime number and divisor of 6. So this is, we can match them A with part 2. Now second is, X is an odd natural number less than 10. Odd natural number less than 10 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is the part 4. So we can match B with the part 4. Part 4 is having the elements of odd number less than 10. C is, X is a natural number and divisor of 6. We have to write the natural number and divisor of 6. That should be divisor of 6. So these are the divisor of 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the natural number and also the divisor of 6. So C is matching with part 1. Now last one, D is, X is the letter of English of word mathematics. Simply this is the part 3. Now this is your exercise 1.1. Hope so it's clear to you. Thanks for watching.